In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shortcut in Snapchat. This feature is very beneficial for those who loves to maintain streaks on Snapchat. So I'm going to show you how to create shortcut in Snapchat with step-by-step procedure. So let's begin. First, all you have to do is open Snapchat. Now you have to click one picture that you want to send it to your friends. So I'm just gonna click this and draw something here. Well, now you have to click on send to. Here you'll get to see the option to create shortcut in top right corner. Click on it. Now all you have to do is select the friends that you want to send this snap to. So I would like to select these friends. Once you are done selecting your friends, you need to tap on create shortcut. Now you have to select one emoji that will symbolize this shortcut. So in the top middle, you'll get to see the option of choose emoji. You need to select one emoji that you want. So I'm gonna select this emoji to represent my shortcut and then tap on create shortcut. Here your shortcut has been created successfully. Now if you want to send this snap to your friends, now you don't have to keep on selecting your friends one by one and waste your time. So you just need to click on the emoji that we have created as shortcut. So on the top left corner, you'll get to see the emoji that you just created as shortcut. You need to tap on it. Here you'll get to see the faces of people that you have just created as shortcut. Now in order to send this snap to your friends all at once, you just need to click on select all and click on send on bottom right corner. Now your snap has been sent to your friends that were involved in this shortcut. Well, in this way you can create shortcut as many as you want. Well, this feature is very beneficial as it saves your time as well as you don't have to worry on whom to send this snap to. Well, this is it. This was a short tutorial on how to create shortcut on Snapchat. I hope this was useful for you, and if it does, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.